Derek's got a stick. Derek's got a stick. Do 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 do.
Breaking the stick.
Hello everybody. Welcome to Lolly Piece, and today we're doing a Subway vlog. Wow. Oh my gosh.
It's a giant sword.
So yeah, I still can't believe we haven't done a Subway vlog, even though we did a Wendy's vlog before this. Okay,
we're talking about vegetarian pizza.
Yeah, vegetarian pizza. We were going to the teleportation stream, and we're like, I wonder if vegetarian pizza is good. Probably not.
Yeah, I know, but like, what do they use for it?
Oh, there's holiday.
What is allowed? Is pepperoni allowed?
Probably not. I don't.
Okay, lettuce pizza.
Lettuce pizza.
Where there's cheese, sauce, bread, crust.
Ooh, cheese.
And lettuce.
Wow. That's a whole lot of disgusting. We wouldn't. Oh, proven leadership. Paul Hope for sheriff. Washington County.
Paul hopes for sheriff, but he's not gonna get up.
Yeah.
Or wait.
Wait, what?
No, he probably already is.
Probably. Okay. Subway. Oh jeez. Okay. That was a little rough landing.
Oh, I just walked.
What? Oh. Okay, we're here at Subway. To get our food. We got our food. Yeah, got pop. Pretty good. Okay, Derek got a turkey. I got a tuna. Yeah. Look at outside. It's a pretty good day. Yeah.
Free pizza.
Free pizza. Whoa. Look at this huge sandwich. Look at Derek's kind of smaller sandwich. Whoa, it's a beautiful day.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Oh, is that pretty good, Derek? Pretty good?
That was a pretty good swing.
Pretty good swing. Swinging good. Woo. Okay, the end of the video. Sorry, I hope you liked this short vlog. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Set that pop.